Today I'm checking out this drain cleaner that was sent to me so I could do the review. Let's get it out of the box, see everything it comes with. So right out of the box, I'm happy to note that there is no assembly needed. It already comes fully assembled over here. This is the whole drum and the cable. Everything's here together and it's all fully assembled. It's got the power plug and the on and off switch that you step on right there. It does come with a set of gloves. This little plastic container here has all of the bits and all of those pieces that you would need when you're cleaning out the drain, a manual, and it even comes with two little drain cleaners. They're little plastic sticks that you push down into your drain to clean out hair and gunk that would be there like in a sink or a tub. So everything's there, no assembly required. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. I'm gonna show you how this thing works. So to get the machine ready to do whatever kind of cleaning you wanna do, you're going to have 4 different tips to choose from. Now I put this tip on there because it's, the biggest and most gnarly and probably the easiest to see in the video when I'm demonstrating how it works. But it does come with 4. So it comes with this spring-like little end here that's going to kind of wallow around as it's in the pipe to try to clean everything out. It's got this smaller little tab-like cleaner head here for smaller pipes. It's going to be spinning around and just kind of gyroing its way in there and getting things out. And then this one for a little bit bigger pipes is going to have kind of the idea of this, but not as, grippy and gnarly as that one is. It's got smaller rounded edges and they all have their different functions. So check out the manual and see what they specifically designed these for. But you do have 4 different tips to use. Of course, it also does come with the Allen key that is needed to put these attachments on and off. So you don't have to have any extra tools. It comes with it. These are the 2 little pieces that I was talking about it comes with. These are good for cleaning out a sink drain by just going straight into the drain from the top of the sink and just cleaning it out. Usually this is good enough to get through the P-trap and get any clogs that you may have there before you have to step up to using this much larger machine to get deeper down into your pipes. Your clog could just be right at the drain. So when you're using this machine, it's going to be spinning because you make it spin by pressing this button. I do have it plugged in and I do have the switch turned to clockwise. So you can go counterclockwise, but you usually want to just go in one direction. I would go clockwise. And then if for some reason it gets stuck or it doesn't want to spin, you can go counterclockwise to kind of unjam it, pull it back a little bit and start over. So that's why it lets you go both directions. But you pick a direction on which you're going to go. And then you can just push this with your foot and it makes it spin. And that's what's going to go into the drain and start cleaning out the clog. Again, this is a manual feed, so you will feed it in manually by hand. And once you get to a point where you feel like it's stuck or it doesn't want to go, then you can press on the button and it will go. It does have this little spindle in there. So when you pull this out, it's going to unwind it off of the drum. But then you can also just push it back in and it will wind it up. So it should never get real tangled in there. You don't really have to worry about that. This, you should be able to easily feed in and out by hand. And then when you're ready, you can press the button, which will make this spin. And as this goes into the pipe, I don't want to get it out too far for it to damage anything. But as it gets in further, you'll notice, see how it just kind of spins a little bit more erratic? That is because this is a big spring, and as it goes, if I pull this out even more, this thing's going to start spinning around like this. So even on larger pipes, this thing's going to be able to kind of sling around like this right here and get rid of a good sized clog. So even if I just spin this for a second, you can see it's going to kind of sling around in there, and it's kind of the point of it. This is a springy cable, so that way it can get around, corners and angles, but it's also going to allow this thing to have a lot of free movement while it's in the pipe and really get in there and clean things out. Then when you're done, you just feed it back in. It goes in pretty easy. Like I said, it has this little spindle in there that spins around. This is what I meant by that little spindle or collar that's in there. As this feeds in and out, that moves and it keeps it nice and tidy inside of this drum. So if you do have some basic skills, this is a tool that's really useful around the house. You can stick this down into the drain and clean out your own drains instead of having to spend all that money to get a plumber to come do it. And then when you're done, it's got these 2 little clips back here where it lets you roll up the power cable and the foot pedal right here. So that way it's out of the way. You can put all your bits and everything with the manuals and everything back in the bag and put it on a shelf until you need it. So yeah, I really like it. I think you will too. And I hope all this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.